To install Grafana on SUSE, it's SUSE, not SUSE, not SUSE, it's SUSE. Check it out. Well, in SUSE, you can install Grafana using the RPM repository with Zyper. But first, for that we need our GPG key. So let's do that in a command line by copying and pasting from the installation page the wget command that you can see here on the screen. First the wget to get the GPG key, and then the sudo rpm to get imported. After that, we need to add the Grafana repo with Zyper by copying and pasting, again from the same page, sudo Zyper, add repo, and then the Grafana information. After that, we need to copy and paste the installation command. Sudo Zyper install Grafana. This command will start the Grafana installation for Grafana OSS. If you want the enterprise version, again just add -enterprise at the end. After the download and a few prompts finish, you will be able to start Grafana with some of the displayed commands at the bottom, either to boot automatically or just to run once with this command. I want the command to run once only, so I'm gonna grab it and paste it. After that, a few seconds later, you can open a browser to access localhost 3000, and with that, you can use the good old admin user and password, and you will be all set to use Grafana in SUSE.